Hi, my name's Barry Gwilliam. I'm Musical Director of Sistema Cymru Codi'r To. We're a project based in North Wales, working with communities in Bangor and Carnarvon. I'm here to highlight what we've done over the last 12 to 18 months and how COVID has changed our delivery like many other systemas across the world. We used to have a full brass band, a choir and a samba band. During this time of online teaching, we decided to focus on rhythmic lessons and deliver through Zoom and Teams to see how we could improve and develop the rhythmic abilities of our children. One thing that's been absolutely brilliant about this project, working with children over Zoom, is that we've been able to get into contact with the parents and use them in partnership to develop the children's skills further. By now, we've been back in schools well over a term, and we've had a freelance musician coming in to do some African drumming, working with our 5 to 7-year-olds, and that's just been really great to see their skills and their confidence grow. And with the older children, we've been developing their samba skills, and they've been being able to play the actual samba instruments as opposed to pots and pans and homemade shakers and stuff. It was great to see the children working together in their bubbles but outside. Having developed their rhythmic skills online, progressing into face-to-face sessions with a percussion specialist, then being inspired by performances by their older peers, these young musicians are now ready and excited about playing a samba instrument in the near future. Codi'rTo!